Hello everyone. My submission for the Hedera 21 hack is a project called Codef, which is a simple puzzle game based on the Hedera token service. Throughout playing the puzzle, the those who are playing the puzzle or trying to crack it will learn about various facts of Hedera, as well as at the end, as a reward, they get to create their own token using the Hedera token service. So here is a glimpse of the puzzle. You can see that I've set a byline. There is a story, right, which they follow as the puzzle moves around, and then there are different puzzles. Each piece of the puzzle needs to be solved and then fit in into your initial question, right? So as you solve different pieces of the puzzle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order, and then submit your final answer, right? It tells you whether you got it right or wrong. Towards the end of the puzzle, there is a Hedera token service sheet or slide where they can write their own token name, right? For example, Hedera winner or something, right? And they can get to create their own token. So my idea and inspiration for this is primarily from the fact that there are a lot of wonderful, amazing blockchain and hash graph related material that is out there, but we need to create materials or educational materials in such a way that it grasps the interest of people to learn about a particular technology or framework, right? And I thought that I would develop a cool puzzle just so that people will learn about Hedera and also learn how the Hedera token service works, learn to see that it is really easy to create their own tokens on the Hedera token service. My name is Gyan, and I'm super excited to submit my presentation. Hope that the judges like my presentation. I'm happy to receive any feedback whatsoever, and more than happy to discuss with the Hedera team if there are any other opportunities to work together. Thanks, everyone.
As a reward for solving the puzzle, you get to create your own Hedera tokens on the testnet account that you just unlocked. So if you type any name, that a name of a token that you would like to create, for example, Hedera winner, right? And then you submit, right? What happens is it opens up the backend app link. So right now I've hosted it on localhost where my token service is running. But ideally I would like to, host it somewhere on the IPFS, the app. So as you can see, it is processing now, and then it will create a token, and it creates an account as well at the back end to transfer your token. So let me quickly share that with you. So I've just moved to the IDE page. So if you see here, this is the token service Java SDK that I've used. And what I'm doing is I'm creating a token, a new token, right? Where the token name is being sent by the user. And then I create a new account for the user to transfer these tokens to that account. And then I'm just responding back with the transaction ID. This transaction ID I have clubbed along with the Explorer link so the user can explore there, the transaction, the related details, etc. You can see some messages that I printed, that the consensus status for association transaction, that is associating the newly created account with this newly created token, and then the consensus status is success, then the new account balance is 1,000, right? So and you can see the account number as well, that is 321850, right? So let's go back to our screen and see what it's. So as you can see here, the transaction has been generated, wherein we have created a new token. Now let's take a look at the new token, right? At this transaction, at this Explorer. Now this Explorer takes a bit of a time to load. Oh, great. I'll just choose the Dragon class Explorer. And then you can see that the main token, the main account that we have given is here. Inside this, we have generated some accounts, to transfer the tokens, etc. So if you see here, we go to token balances, right? Let's see, what was the token number? It was 321850, right? Yeah, so you can see that we created the token Hedera winner, and it's created over here. So this is super cool because you can easily create new tokens using the Hedera token service. You have multiple applications that you can do by creating these tokens, and I think it would be super cool for users to kind of learn this about Hedera as well while solving a puzzle. This is a bit of in progress work happening, but I also want to have like a Hedera under the hood where there are a lot of educational material and stuff about Hedera that we could have developers contribute or make videos, tutorials, and whatnot for developers. And yeah, I just think it's a cool way to learn about the Hedera token service. I hope you like my submission, and any feedback, I'm just happy to take in, speak to the team about what they think, and I'm happy to contribute to any other applications to the Hedera ecosystem. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I was super excited to do this project, and I hope that you all had fun as well. And I definitely recommend, solving the puzzles. The last part of the link may not work because currently my app is hosted on localhost. But eventually, yes, as it's a work in progress, you'll definitely get the final link as well. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks for the opportunity, and yeah, hoping to catch up with the Hedera team soon. See ya.